Hello. So we are fixing to go into Bilo and get some groceries. Say hello. Say good morning.
Good morning. I got a box from the Dollar Tree today.
Yes. Today, yeah, we just left the Dollar Tree because we had to go get a few little things, a couple of little spray bottles.
And this apple not working.
Okay, so we're fixing to head into the Bilo and get some groceries. Let's go see. We kind of have a little list made, and we're going to go see what kind of deals we can find today.
Hey guys. I want to be in the video. Okay, now no more. We were just guys, comment down below if you think that was a good thing.
Okay, so we have been shopping at Bilo and we are back home, and I'm going to show you guys what we got. This is not a full grocery haul. This is just a buy what's on sale at Bilo day. So I want to show y'all this today so that you can go get some of the deals. I believe they change tomorrow on Wednesday. So maybe you can run tonight and get some deals. So let me show you what we got, and at the end I will tell you how much I spent on everything. And I'm going to try to break it down and tell you what each thing costed also. So let's look at what we got. Okay, so the first thing we did get today was some bottled water. We go through bottled water like crazy, and this is just the Bilo brand bottled water, and it was on sale for $2.50. Then we got, okay, no negative comments please. We did get some donut sticks. Okay, so we did get Little Debbie's, all right? We will not eat all these Little Debbie's this week. They will be stored in the pantry, and some will be hidden. But it was buy two, get one free, and my kids love the donut sticks, and they love the cosmic brownies, so buy two, get one free is a win, and we'll just save them up, okay? So then we have Lucky Charms in the back. They're having a good sale on cereal, and my kids love the Lucky Charms. Got them for $1.94, and you could probably do better if you get the coupons. I think there's some coupons out there. I have not started couponing back yet. Just got out of the habit of it and haven't got started. Now the brownies were on sale for $1, and then the pancake mix. I got this pancake mix. It was on sale for $1 each. It's normally $1.19. It's not a huge savings, but still, nonetheless, it's a little bit, and I just figured it'd be something different. The crackers we got, they were on sale for $1.64. Then, let's see, the ketchup. The ketchup is on sale for $1.99, which is good. You always gotta have backup there. The toilet paper is just the Bilo toilet paper. Thought I would give it a try. If you've tried it, let me know what you think. It was only 89 cents, so I'm not thinking it's gonna be too good, but yeah, we'll try it and see. And this is the Armor meatballs. So the Armor meatballs, let me see, what were they? The Armor meatballs were only $2.49, which I thought was a good buy. That'll be good for one night for dinner. And then this Applewood smoked bacon pork looks so very good. Like, I don't know, it just sounds good. And it was on sale also for $5.99. These are some Boston butt value packed ribs. They were on sale for $4.44, and that is just a great deal. It's a pretty big pack, So looking forward to having those one night. The lettuce was on sale for 88 cents. I got these, our kids love granola bars. My husband loves them. My 17-year-old eats granola bars like they're going out of style. So this will not last very long, but I don't even think they were on sale. I'm looking at my thing, my receipt. I think they were just $2.99. They weren't really on sale, but that'll be good for my kids and my family. Okay, chicken. They have a good sale at Bilo right now for the Campbell's soup. So we did get some chicken noodle soups, chicken and rice, chicken and stars. They have these, and that's the Frozen and the Star Wars. All of these are on sale. They are like $1 each. Yeah, all the soups were pretty much $1 each. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Some of these are supposed to be like $1.79 a piece. So that's like 79 cents saving per can. So that's pretty good. The apples were $2 off. They were on sale for $4.99. And then the Lunchables were on sale also. My 15-year-old loves to take Lunchables to school. They were only $1.14. And then she likes to have these Dr. Pepper. And that's one of her things. So they were on sale for $1.99, which is a pretty good deal for those. And she can just take them to school or drink them little by little, and they will last probably 2 or 3 weeks because she doesn't drink them that fast. So. All right, so that is our grocery haul for today. Not all healthy items, of course, and we are not 100% healthy. Of course, we eat junk, and I totally believe in eating what you want and not depriving yourself. So we do eat junk, and we do eat bad stuff at times. You know, I just feel like it's 80-20. You don't want to do 100% all healthy all the time, because I feel like if my kids don't have some kind of stuff that's just good and not good for them, then they're going to crave it and they're going to want it. Now, you may feel differently and it may work differently for your kids, but if I don't let my kids have anything, then they are going to, like, when they do get it, they're going to eat a ton. So I don't believe in depriving myself. I'm going to eat my M&Ms, and I might drink a soda here and there, and I'm going to eat some junk. So that's what we do. So we're not all 100% healthy here at all. Anyway, so Chandler wants to say hey. Come here, Channy. Look, stand up, buddy. Can you see? So we turned this box into, what are you?
A robot.
A robot.
I'm a robot.
You're not in a robot box. So we turned the box into a robot for Chandler. Are you snorting? So we cut armholes and eye holes. Casey, can you watch out a second, baby? And a nose and some mouth holes. So he is Mr. Coffee Maker Robot. What are you, Peppa Pig? Are you Peppa Pig? Yes. Okay. So the total for today was $53.93, and I saved today. Total savings was $34.13. So I spent almost $54, and I saved $34. So to me, that's a win. I like being able to save money, and I feel like I did pretty good today. I got some good meat and just other things, not necessarily very healthy things, but hey, 80-20 rule here. So anyway, let me know if you get any good deals, and tell me what deals you get. I'm going to try to start showing y'all some hauls that I make. We live in North Carolina, so it will be probably Bilo, Harris Teeter, Food Line, things like that, maybe Walmart hauls. But and I'll try to explain what each thing costs and just kind of go through it like that. If you like this, then comment below and let me know. Like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.